What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you a secret feature on the Galaxy A51 you probably did not know about. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hope you guys are having a great day. We're going to go ahead and show you the secret really quick. But if you guys do end up enjoying this video, hit the subscribe button as well as turning on the notification bell to stay notified about every future video. Now, first and foremost, you're going to want to go ahead and go to settings. So we're going to go into settings right here. This is going to be very simple. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on About Phone. Now, once we've clicked on About Phone, we're going to want to go ahead and click on Software Information. Once you hit Software Information, we're going to want to go down to Build Number and click on that multiple times, and we're going to go ahead and enter our password. Now this is basically the PIN that you enter in to actually unlock your phone, so just go ahead and input that and press check. After you've done that, it says developer options have now been unlocked, and scroll down once and developer options is actually right here. So let's go ahead and click on that. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and find simulate cutout. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we find that. So as you guys see right here, it says simulate display cutout. So let's go ahead and click on that. Now we have a few different options, and I thought this was really cool because this does work on other Samsung devices. So if you guys have the Galaxy A20, the Galaxy A50, the A71, the A70, this will work on there. And this is basically something of a preference for some people. So if you want to go ahead and change this, you don't like this little hole punch notch right here, which I don't know why you wouldn't, you can actually go ahead and change this. So we have it on default right now, and as you guys see, we have the little hole punch notch right there. Now let's go to corner cutout. Now, for whatever reason, if you want to go ahead and be different, you guys can actually go ahead and use that on the top right side of your phone and have that notch cut out. Now, that one is called the corner cutout. We also have double cutout right here. This one looks pretty cool. We have two rectangle notch cutouts on the top and the bottom, so you really don't know what phone you're rocking, and if you want to confuse your friends or you want to prank somebody, this is definitely a cool thing to use. And the last one, probably one of my favorites, has to be the tall cutout. Now, I've used this on some of my Galaxy A20 devices, and it will actually just cut out the top right here and have half of a square right there. So I think that one is the best looking, and if you want to go to default, you can go ahead and go back to default. Now, that was pretty much the trick right there. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and add a little extra, I guess, spice to this video and add an extra trick for you guys. Now, we have these animations right here. Since we're here, I'm going to go ahead and show you this. If you would like to speed up your animations, go to your animation scale, 0.5, 0.5, and 0.5. And it's actually really quick. Going in and out of things, as you guys see, very quick. So the animations are much quicker. We can actually turn them completely off if you don't want animations, and your phone is just going to be insanely quick. So definitely try that out if you want to use that. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, so subscribing if you are not part of the Tech Gang already. Also, hit the notification bell down below if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.